I think for China outbound, it's yesterday I read the news articles. It's like for whole 2024, Chinese outbound accounts for still more than 10% of global FDI flow, capital flow. So you can't really ignore China is still the second economy in the world, and also it's the same as Chinese companies. Some big ones, they already have the very aggressive plan to expand overseas. So it's for Chinese outbound. It's right now. I think for Acclime, we are in a good position to provide the service because we have a commercial team to connect them before departure in China, Shanghai, Beijing, and South China. And also, it's as you know, the top 10 destination out of top 10 destinations, 7 is in Southeast Asia, like Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia. I think that's the main choice of our Chinese client. So we also have a well-established team in Southeast Asia. So you can just quickly, for the tendency, there's 2 types of Chinese company is going out. The first, they are also looking for some like the alternative plan to lower their manufacturing cost. So they move their factory to Vietnam, to Thailand, or also due to the trading tariff reason. Secondly, it's especially for some food, for some restaurant, even the milk tea. It's the eating habit, the cuisine habit is very similar between China and some countries like Malaysia, like Vietnam. So it's very natural they expand their operation in this country to increase their consumption, the revenue turnover.
Well, the China+1 strategy is becoming extremely important for the future. In the last 3-4 years, it's been gaining momentum, but we've seen it increasing every single year. And we've seen a lot of global companies now reorienting their supply chain. All of them had gone into manufacturing out of China or sourcing for China from their vendors. But now we are seeing, because of the geopolitical risks, they want to de-risk themselves and be present in other markets as well. And these are markets of India, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, where they're setting up manufacturing or supply base. So the next 2-3 years, we see a lot of activities happening. Both of European and American companies wanting to set up their own manufacturing facilities there. And we are also going to see a lot of them wanting to M&A to enter the region, because that's faster than setting up a factory from ground zero. So on both those aspects, we see great potential. And as a client, we are wanting to leverage from that opportunity, both in helping them to come to these markets, as well as help them the M&A piece as well.